Thank you very much everyone for joining me in this tutorial. So in this video, we will see how can we convert a simple camera into a PTZ camera. So there is a Python code in the backend with the help of which we are able to zoom in. As you can see, we are able to zoom out. Okay, we are able to move the frames here and there, and we can also focus on one particular point if you want, like this. So if there is a point which you want to see what is happening in that point or what exactly is there at that point, you can easily do it with the help of this camera. And it's not the camera's default functionality, it's basically the code in the backend we have written for doing, which is doing all these things, right? So this is one of the features that you can add to your simple camera and make it a PTZ kind of a camera. Now the next feature that I'm going to show you is the video capturing part and the snapshot capturing part. So if you see here, we have this folder called zoom in underscore zoom out, inside which our application is present. Now here we do not have any video. So if you want to record a video manually, you just have to press V and the recording will start. If you want to stop it at any time, you just have to press S, right? So the video has got recorded. Let me show it to you. So this is how you can record a video. Next thing that comes is snapshot capturing. So if you want to capture the snapshot of yours at any time, you can simply press P and the snapshot will get captured and you can see it anytime. So this is not the default functionality of camera. This is something which has been developed through Python code. Now the next thing that can be that the code or this camera can be used for is for surveillance purpose. If suppose there is someone carrying a weapon, right? So this is what will happen when the camera will see that person. So these are the recordings which camera has done automatically when we brought the weapons in front of it. So this is again a very good feature with the help of which you can detect suspicious people in malls, outside your house. And the moment the camera detects any suspicious person, it can on the siren, it can start recording the video itself. So all that can be done with help of simple camera, right? In this way you can easily convert your simple CCTV camera or any camera into a PTZ kind of a camera. Right, now let me take you through the coding part. So in the backend, we are using Flask. We have used Flask for creating this beautiful application. These are all the libraries that we've used in the application. MediaPipe is something that we are using for face detection, for body detection, right, and all that stuff. When it comes to PYTTSX3, the text which you get to see while the camera is on, the FPS, the long melee, right, weapon, right, alarm text, all that which you see is coming through this library. Pygame is something that we're using for switching on and switching off this MP3 file. So the alarm that you hear, it is because of this Pygame, right, which is responsible for switching it on and then switching it off when the alert stops. Now comes the next thing, which is vandalism underscore updated.pt. So this is nothing but a model that we've created, right, through RoboFlow, which is helping us in detecting different types of weapons. Okay, all these are the variables that we have defined in the backend. So these these are the default values for all these variables. Auto recording is false, video writer is none, right? These frames are 00. So initially the cursor is always at the center of the frame, right? So these are basically we're using for making the camera act as a PTZ camera. We can zoom in, we can zoom out, fine, we can drag here and there while the camera is zoomed in. Okay, then we have this mouse events for controlling the mouse drag and drop, zooming in, zooming out, right, the dragging. Okay, so this is a function which is helping us in doing all that stuff. Then the next thing that comes is your weapon detection. So the moment weapon gets detected, we put a round box around that weapon, and that is something which is coming from this code here. The moment weapon it gets detected, and after that the camera see it moving, it plays this siren. Okay, and the recording also starts automatically. The moment weapon goes away, okay, so the moment weapon goes away, what happens is the siren playing becomes false. The siren stops buzzing. The recording stops. Okay, this is again for text part, the text which you get to see. Then V is for manual recording. S is for stopping the recording which you have done manually, which you have started manually. T is for taking the picture, right? And that is it. So this is a complete code with the help of which you can convert your simple camera, any type of camera it is, you can convert it easily into a full-fledged PTZ camera, and you can also use it for surveillance purpose. Okay, that is it from my side in this lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Bye, take care and have a great day, guys.